Hi, Mrs. Ratcliffe here, and I'm talking to you now about surface area. Surface area is exactly like it sounds. It's the combination of all the areas on the surface of a three-dimensional object. So, yeah, I've got the definition there. The surface area is the total area of the outer faces of an object. So I wrote there, think wrapping paper. It's different than what the object can hold in terms of volume. This is just all the area around the outside. And one way you can tell that there's quite a difference is that when you measure surface area, you're measuring it in square units, so centimeters squared, instead of cubic units, so in terms of centimeters cubed. If that makes sense. Okay, so let's have a look. So as you can see, I've made a box here. This is the box unwrapped. You can see all the little faces. It's that measurement. So really, if you could unpack the box and flatten it out and then measure that space, you could put it over grid paper and you would be able to count those cubic centimeters. But there are other ways to do it. So how do you find the surface area? The first thing you want to do is count the number of faces in the two-dimensional or three-dimensional object. Count how many faces it has. Then you're going to find the area for each face and add all those areas together to get the total surface area. Pretty simple. So let's look at an example. I've got a rectangular prism here, and I've labeled the faces A, B, and C so that you can see. For rectangular prisms, they have 6 faces, two of each measurement. So for face A, it's here. We've got 5 by 3, so 5 by 3, it's 15 centimeters squared. For face B, it's 3 by 10, so 3 times 10 is 30 centimeters squared. And for face C, we've got 10 by 5. So 10 by 5 is 50 centimeters squared. Okay? Then all you're going to do is add all of those up. Now don't forget, you've got to do each one twice, because as you can see for C, there'll be the face you can see and the one that it's resting on underneath. So the surface area ends up being 15 plus 15 plus 30 plus 30 plus 50 plus 50. So for this rectangular prism, the surface area is going to be 190 centimeters squared. And that's really all there is to surface area. Just make sure that you count the right number of faces. And I guess most importantly, you just need to remember that you're adding the faces together. You're not multiplying them all together. Okay, good luck with surface area.